For U4A3 solutions, I'm gonna split it up into two parts. So the first one I'm gonna do is common concentration, or what we would find in a store and how concentration is done. So this can be done mass per mass, mass per volume, or volume per volume. In the work you guys do, they just go with these two here, mass per volume and volume per volume. If we said, and remember the mass has to be in grams and the volume has to be in milliliters. If we said that we dissolve 10 grams of a substance in 100 mils of water, we would have 0.1 grams per milliliter. That would be our concentration. This is how we do it in a supermarket, not in a lab, but this is how we do it in a supermarket. Now, sometimes what they say is, they say to convert this to, let's say, per 1,000 milliliters. So they want to know how many grams it would be per 1,000 milliliters. So this is the ratio you would set up. You would take the 10 grams, you'd multiply it by 1,000, and you'd divide by 100. So if they give you a concentration and then they tell you to find it per something else, just do it like this. Now, another common way of doing this, and hydrogen peroxide is done this way, is milliliters per milliliters. So vinegar is another one that's done this way. So if we took 5 mils of acetic acid and we put that in 1,000 milliliters, now what they do when they do volume by volume is they do percent. So you have to times by 100. That's what percent means. So if you do volume per volume, they often do this by percent. So I'm going to change this to 100 milliliters, 5 mils of 5 mils of acetic acid per 100 mils of water. That would be 5% solution, or 5% VV. If you look on the side of a vinegar container, I'm pretty sure it'll say 5% VV, which means volume of acetic acid over volume of water that's in the container. Folks, this is how you would find concentration done in a supermarket. Okay, this is part one.